afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports, presenting to you a beautiful 2018 McLaren 720S Luxury. Very highly optioned from the factory. Beautiful car. Clean and clear title in hand, in-house, ready to sign over. Perfect history on the car. One of the prettiest colors that McLaren has put out. It is a true must-see color in person. We'll get some close-ups here in a moment. From afar, people will look at it. Maybe you'll see white, you'll see some light grays, some blues, but absolutely stunning. Out of all the McLarens we've had in, we've only had this color one other time. 30,000 miles, but over 26 service records available on the car. Over the last year or so, I mean, thousands have been put into the car. New struts all the way around. It's got 765 actuators on it as well. New tires as of 3,000 miles ago, just fully serviced. We do service McLarens here at Davis AutoSports as well. So of course we go through all of our McLarens that we have here. We have a McLaren up there. We have a 600 LT up front that we're actually redoing the engine with a spun bearing. Wheels are absolutely flawless. New P0 tires. Just a beautiful color. Oh, also full car PPF. Front to back, full PPF on the car. But this is a absolutely beautiful color. Also, being that we service and modify them, if there's anything you want to add to this, just please let us know. We will be more than happy to do so. Look at that color. Full blacked out roof, of course, full ceramic tint. That is glass up top. PPF on the trim as well. PPF on the mirrors, 360 camera option as well. PPF continues all the way. Full carbon. Once again, perfect wheel. Also want to let you guys know this car is 100% factory. No tune, no downpipes, no exhaust. Does have the turbo inlets on it, of course. Other than that, performance-wise, it's all factory. As noted, if you want us to modify it, please let us know. We will be more than happy to do so. Carbon engine cover as well. Aero works exactly as it should. I don't think not one wheel. Oh, there's one tiny little chip that we will absolutely touch up, but I'm actually happy I caught that. That must have been down on the lower end when I inspected it earlier. We'll touch up that one chip, but I really think that's all there is on the entire, all four wheels. Full PPF, as mentioned earlier. This particular 720 does have all the exposed carbon. Very nice option on these. Illuminated LEDs in the dash and door panels as well. Carbon inside. Bottom of the door is perfect. Usually this area gets a little bit funky. I'll make sure to show you the other side as well. We do have a leather conditioner. What we typically do is, and it's a very high-end conditioner. We let it soak in. It was just done this afternoon. So we'll actually let it sit, and then we'll take a dry microfiber rag and then sort of get it up. So we're just letting it soak to condition the leather. The leather was in great condition, but it's part of our reconditioning. So it looks a little glossy. It's not a shine or aerosol spray. We just let it sort of soak in. So that's gonna continue to get wiped off and cleaned up a little bit. Leather's in great condition. Upgraded sound as well. So make sure to check our website, because we're going to list all the recent services this car has as well. It's got a ton of recent services, from brand new battery, struts, actuators, just a ton of stuff done to it service-wise. It's truly turnkey, and I can absolutely tell you, check it out online too. When it comes to these 720s, in my opinion, in about 90% of the market, especially on an 18 or 19, you don't want one with 2 or 3 or 4,000 miles that's been sitting. You want one that's been driven and one that's been fully serviced. These cars want to be driven. You obviously, like any exotic, you want to take care of them. But when these cars sit, they start having the issues. So the higher mileage ones aren't a problem at all. They're actually, if serviced and super clean, a very nice option. And the good thing about it having a little bit of miles is you're going to pay a little bit less, but you're going to get a car that you know wasn't problematic, didn't have issues. So I would sort of be leery. I personally, nothing against them, but any 18 or 19s that I buy, I try to be at least 15,000 miles and up. That's just what I've come across. It seems like I've visited cars with 3, 4, 5,000 miles that sat, and condition wise, they're clean, but they just have a lot of little issues. So, and like I said, we have nearly 30 service records on this car. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful car. One of the few 720s out there that's 100% stock. Reason being, because these things are absolute animals once you tune them, downpipe and exhaust. We just had a huge car event. I mean, we got a Roadster there. We got an F8 in the front of the shop. I was just around a few hundred exotic car owners at the Cova Exotics event in Virginia Beach, one of the biggest events around, and it's just sort of a known thing at this price point. Sub $300,000 cars, there's nothing that can really compare to a nicely tuned 720. So if you want us to do any work, please let us know, but it's nice to know this thing's bone stock, all original. So that's it. We're gonna have a driver portion of the video coming up, so stay tuned for that.